Hello, year 3. Welcome to Natural Science class. Right, I'm going to explain to you what we are going to do this week, right, in science, natural science lessons. First of all, I've sent you an email, so check your Educa Madrid account, and in there you are going to find this email, right? In here, I'm sending you the code to download and to get the access to the digital book of natural science, right? Here, you can see this code, which is not a code, it's XXX, but you will get an individual one for each of you. Is what you have to introduce and follow the steps that are here. Last year, you should have done this with your teacher, so it's the same process, just adding the new code for this year's book, which is Natural Science Year 3. Os habrá llegado hoy este email en el que viene el código para que podáis tener acceso al libro digital, ¿de acuerdo? Tenéis los pasos, tenéis que hacer clic aquí y cada uno tendréis vuestro código personal, ¿vale? Lo hicisteis ya el año pasado con vuestra profe, así que este año simplemente es volver a hacerlo, pero teniendo acceso al libro de tercero, ¿de acuerdo? Una vez lo hayáis hecho, podéis ir al libro de tercero, que es este de aquí, ¿de acuerdo? Esta portada. Cuando tengáis acceso podréis tener el libro de esta manera. Vamos a ver, os voy a enseñar los ejercicios que vamos a hacer esta semana, que son ejercicios digitales, los cuales se autocorrigen cuando vosotros los hagáis si utilizáis el formato digital. En caso de que tengáis problemas, no os preocupéis porque yo ahora en el vídeo os voy a enseñar los ejercicios y lo único que tendréis que escribir las respuestas en vuestro cuaderno, ¿de acuerdo? Aquellos que lo hagáis en formato digital, lo hacéis en formato digital, os lo autocorrige, ya habéis practicado. Aquellos que tengáis el libro en papel, pero que tengáis dificultad al entrar en el libro digital, no os preocupéis, lo dejáis, me lo comunicáis la semana que viene, intentamos acceder, os intento ayudar y en este momento simplemente los ejercicios que os voy a enseñar, vais parando el vídeo y los vais contestando en el cuaderno. Okay? You understand? Good. So now I'm going to show you how to access to these exercises to practice what we have studied in this unit. So once that you click in the cover of the Natural Science book, you go to the Learning Kit here, and in there, we are going to focus on here interactive content activities, right? Once that you have access to that page, I'm going to explain to you which activities are the ones that we are going to do. We will do activity number 1, activity number 4, activity number 5, 6, 7, extra 1 and extra 2. I'm going to show you now the activities one by one. So, activity number 1, which organs do you use to interact with the world around you? So here, if you are going to use the digital book, you have to type the organs, right? And if not, just copy the question in your notebook and write down the answer. Okay? If you are using the digital book, here you can check the answers, right? But only check them once that you have completed and you have typed the name of the different organs. Now we are going to move on to the exercise number 4. Exercise number 4. What are the 3 main parts of the nervous system? You have to complete this sentence. Exercise number 5. name the parts of the eye used for protection. Not all the parts, only the parts that protect the eye. What do they do? Complete it. If you are using this, you can type in there. See, with your keyboard. Next one is exercise number 6. What do you call the colored part of the eye? Exercise number 7. How do sound waves travel over the words? Okay, so you have here the different words and you have to order them. Imagine that the sound wave is entering the ear. So what's the right order? Then you have the activity extra 1. This one here. Write the words. You have to label the different parts of the eye, which you should have done already in your notebook because you drew the picture. So should be easy peasy lemon squeezy. And finally, here we have the ear. How do we here order the sentences, right? So you have the sentences and you have to order them. Alright, so those are the activities that you have to do. First of all, please get access to your digital book and then do these exercises which I showed you the steps that you have to follow to get to the Learning Kit Interactive Content Activities Unit 1 Interaction, okay, and the exercises. In case that you don't have access to the digital book, don't worry, don't panic, because you can just copy the headlines and then write down the answers in your notebooks. Okay? We will correct these sentences next week in class. So hope you are all well and see you next week. Bye bye.